Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. This is our last day in Melbourne. We are going to be so busy today, for we are going to two of the most very popular tourist spot in Melbourne, Queen Victoria Market and Melbourne Museum. Both a very wonderful experience for us, especially for first-time visit in Melbourne. We do really enjoy our stay, and we thank God for this, and I hope you also enjoyed this wonderful adventure. Welcome to the Queen Victoria Market. The Queen Victoria Market, also known colloquially as the Vic Market or Queen Vic, is a major landmark and public marketplace in the Central Business District, CBD of Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Covering over 7 hectares, it is the largest open-air market in the Southern Hemisphere. Constructed in stages from the 1860s and officially opened in 1878, the Queen Victoria Market is the last remaining major market in the CBD, and along with Prahran Market and South Melbourne Market, the last of the city's Victorian-era markets still operating. It is listed on both the Victorian Heritage Register and the National Heritage List and is one of Melbourne's major tourist sites, attracting approximately 10 million visitors annually. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs. The Queen Victoria Market survives today as the largest and most intact of Melbourne's great 19th century markets. It is a major tourist destination in Melbourne, adding to its social and cultural significance. It is open every day of the week except Mondays and Wednesdays. On Wednesday evenings in the summer and winter months, a night market is held which offers dining, bars, live entertainment, and a variety of other stalls. It offers a variety of fruit and vegetables, meat, poultry, and seafood, gourmet and delicatessen foods, as well as specialty delicacies. It also has a large non-food related market, selling a diverse range of clothing, shoes, jewelry, and handmade arts and crafts. Visit Summer Night Market on Wednesdays. Queen Victoria Market transforms into a buzzing night market every Wednesday throughout the warmer months. Sip on refreshing cocktails, feast on delicious street food, shop for gifts, groove along to live music, and more. Best of all, entry is free. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Welcome to Melbourne Museum. The Melbourne Museum is a natural and cultural history museum located in the Carlton Gardens in Melbourne, Australia. Located adjacent to the Royal Exhibition Building, the museum was opened in 2000 as a project of the Government of Victoria on behalf of Museums Victoria, which administers the venue. The museum won Best Tourist Attraction at the Australian Tourism Awards in 2011. In addition to its galleries, the museum features spaces such as Curious, which is a place to meet staff and find answers relating to the collections, research, and behind-the-scenes work of Museums Victoria, as well as a cafe and a gift shop. The world's second largest IMAX theater screen, which is also part of the museum complex, shows movies and documentary films in large-screen 3D format. The back of house area houses some of the Victoria's State collections, which holds over 17 million items, including objects relating to Indigenous Australian and Pacific Islander cultures, geology, historical studies, paleontology, technology and society, and zoology, as well as a library collection that holds 18th and 19th century scientific monographs and serials. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. The Melbourne Museum was one of Denton Corker Marshall's award-winning projects. It won the RACV Award for Major Tourist Attraction, where it received 1,428,238 visitors during the years 2010-2011. In March 2012, the Qantas Australian Tourism Awards was held in Cairns, where the Melbourne Museum was represented for Victoria on a national level. Melbourne Museum's Science and Life Gallery was honored with the Large Permanent Exhibition Award during 2010-2011. They have also received awards from the Royal Australian Institute of Architects (RIA) for their contributions to Australian architecture. One of Australia's most popular and loved museums. Perfect for the whole family, Melbourne Museum showcases Australian social history, Aboriginal cultures, science, and the environment. Expand your mind, discover new things, and learn about cultures from the past and present. With exhibits to surprise and delight all ages, enjoy an inspiring and entertaining day while making memories that last a lifetime. Visit their permanent collections year-round and join us for exciting programs and temporary exhibitions from near and far. Visit the Pauline Gandel Children's Gallery, the immersive space that supports families, carers, educators, and children to learn together, designed for babies to 5-year-olds. Explore Bunjalaka Aboriginal Cultural Center, a space dedicated entirely to honoring our First Peoples history, knowledge, and living culture through exhibits, storytelling, performances, and more. Thank you for watching.
Removing the skull in particular at the end of a really hard day's work. I did get to the point where I just had to take my shirt off and pack the surfaces above the skull in its container, just so that I knew that it was going to get out of that cave safely.
Welcome to Carlton Garden. The Carlton Gardens is a World Heritage Site and contains the Royal Exhibition Building and Melbourne Museum. The Victorian-era Hockerdle Fountain is a famous feature of these late 19th century gardens. The gardens also feature the circular French fountain, formal flower beds, plantings in honor of the Dalai Lama, ornamental lakes, and tree-lined avenues with mature European trees that reflect the changing seasons. The gardens also house the Carlton Gardens tennis courts, a children's playground, and a collection of Moreton Bay fig trees where local Aboriginal people have traditionally met and socialized. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to Panda Hot Pot. We did not eat here because it's expensive. Nuff said. Goodbye and see you on our next vlogs.